नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
Money and mafia are playing a role because we are not playing a role. You quoted Mahatma Gandhi. Let me also quote Mahatma Gandhi to you. Be the change that you want to see. Go out, clean up politics. Why? This is your country as much as anybody else's. But that apart, we have taken extremely cautious measures. You see, the system is such that there is no absolute power with anybody. The Election Commission of India also recognizes this problem quite seriously. I don't know if you know, but in the last elections, we had seized 76 crore rupees in the entire election period. As of today, we have seized 104 crore worth of cash and contraband goods. Last election, nearly 10 times more cases of model code of violation have been booked. Model code of violation means distribution of liquor, liquidation of money, campaigning without permission, many violations, political disturbance causing. So we have booked 10 times more cases. Yesterday, the Times of India reporter was sitting with me saying that you are not taking action. Mr. Session had taken so much action. I said Mr. Session was a great man, but we have also taken some action. Then I gave him the statistics. Today's headline says that Election Commission cracks the whip. The Times of India chadutunara meeru chudandi ivala headlines lo. So we don't want to tom around the action and all that, but seriously, till you engage seriously, sir, till you become the party, till you start telling your friends, your family members, please go and vote. When somebody comes to give you money, show them your, I won't say unparliamentary, show them something, threaten them away and kick them out from there. So, yes, I hope that answers your question. We will try. We are working very hard to control it, sir. Yes?
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. I just want, because last time I'm from this Red Hills constituency, I just contested as corporator elections. So we lost only because of the bogus voting only. Because it was the rigging, right?
No, I want to know from you, because you seem to be talking with personal experience. How did the bogus voting take place?
I don't know how they take.
I will tell you a few measures we have taken.
Unknown names, and I don't know, they vote on
No. What happens is that the control of bogus voting starts from preparation of electoral rolls. In the electoral rolls, very often, people shift from one area to another. You are staying in Nampalli, then you get married and you shift to Gachibowli. Your voter card exists, your enrollment in 6th year. Tomorrow from Gachibowli, you go to Calcutta to work, and then it's Gachibowli. You have 2 votes here and then 1. And you are not coming to vote, but somebody will go and cast a vote in your name, impersonate you. So, dead people die. And when a death in the family occurs, normally we are so sad and we are grief-stricken and all that, and the ceremonies untai. You forget to inform the election authorities that some person has died and his name needs to be struck out. A Form 7 has to be submitted to strike out a name. Because of the existence of these, voters who are not coming to vote, one thing that happens is that voting percentages be very low. And second thing is that political parties know that yes, these 30 people are not there, they have migrated, they have died, and some they try to encourage their persons to go and vote in their names. Election Commission tries to take as much precaution as possible, but it is humanly impossible. In Telangana alone, we have 2.8 crore voters. In the country, we have nearly 90 crore voters. Now, individually, I also work with the government machinery. They are also employees. They do some work, then you push them too much, they will go on strike. Anni untai kada any problems working with the government employees and all that. I mean, anywhere, private sector or government sector, all these challenges are there for us also. We have tried to make a very concerted effort to remove non-existent voters. Same voter's name existing in 2-3 places, nearly about 2 lakh such names have been deleted. Dead voters, we have taken up a campaign, 3 lakh such voters have been deleted. Also, impersonation and all, we are making it extremely difficult by putting electronic surveillance in all the polling stations. Everywhere there will be a camera or a CCTV camera or a webcasting or a videographer. So anybody who's impersonating polling agents untaru local, they will challenge. I would say that with all these precautions, according to my understanding, we will control this impersonation issue very, very seriously. In spite of that, if some complaints come, then we'll improve the system. Next time we'll do better. Yes.
Sir.
Actually, that's never the reason they don't go and vote. But when asked, they say that none of the candidates is worthy of my vote. All right. Then go and vote for none of the above. There is no, the day I'm telling you, I once again emphasize to all my young colleagues sitting in the back row, I don't know, paying attention also or not. Are you hearing me in the last row? Good, good. I can see a few hands, they are aware. Thank you. I am telling you, the day you start taking serious interest in this voting process, in this selection, go there, tell people that I will not vote for anybody. Even the candidate who wins sees that the candidate has got 3,300 votes and the Nota has got 5,000 votes, they will be shamed into acting. It's a very powerful tool that has been given to us. And I'm also, one more thing, I mean, we are talking many things about the problems here. You mentioned about money mafia. Inkokati miru add cheyaledu, media kuda add chestaru. But anyway, I'll not comment. My media friends will hang me for that. But I mean, generally, money mafia media is the triumvirate, 3 M's. But I will tell you, if India is known outside, it is for its democratic processes. The Election Commission of India enjoys a very good reputation the world over. Country after country, Mexico is having elections. Election Commission officials have been invited there to be observers and advisors. Brazil is going to have elections later. They have come and inquired about how are you using these machines and all that. Our EVMs and VVPATs which we are going to use, countries like, advanced countries like Germany, Netherlands, USA, they have not been able to do it because they don't have the legal framework. They can also make machines. But the kind of procedural rigor we have, the technological, India can be very proud of its democracy. I don't know what else we can be proud of, but democracy certainly we can be very proud of.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताजा अपडेट मिलते रहे।